In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email with Gmail. First, let's open Gmail. You will see a clean and organized interface. At the top left corner, you will notice the red Compose button. This is your gateway to creating a new email. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you aren't, you will need to enter your credentials. This step is important because being logged in ensures your email is saved and sent from your account. Once you click on the Gmail icon, it will load your inbox, showing all your current emails. Next, click on the Compose button. This button is usually found on the top left. When you click it, a new window will pop up on the right side of your screen. This is your email draft area. Here, you can start typing your message. The design is user-friendly, allowing you to focus on your content. This action opens up a world of communication, letting you reach out to anyone instantly. In the To box, enter the recipient's email address. Make sure to type it correctly to ensure your email reaches the right person. You might see suggestions if you have previously emailed this contact. This feature helps save time and reduces errors. Be attentive, as a small typo can lead to your message being sent to the wrong person. Once you've entered the email address, it will be highlighted, confirming it is recognized by the system. Now, let's enter a subject. The subject line is crucial as it gives the recipient an idea of what your email is about. A clear and concise subject makes it more likely that your email will be opened quickly. Aim for something relevant and straightforward. For example, if your message is about scheduling a meeting, you might write meeting request. This helps your recipient prioritize their emails effectively. Next, type your message in the large text area below the subject line. This is where you can express your thoughts, share information, or ask questions. Make your message clear and to the point, as concise communication is often appreciated. Feel free to use proper formatting options available in the toolbar, like making text bold or italic. This allows you to emphasize important points. Remember, the goal is to communicate effectively. Optional, if you want to add a file, click on the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. This option is useful if you need to share documents, images, or other files. When you click it, a File Explorer window will open. From here, you can select the file you want to attach. Once selected, you will see the file listed below your message. This addition enhances your email by providing supplementary information. Just ensure that the file size is manageable for the recipient. After that, take a moment to review your email. Go over the recipient's address, subject line, and message. This is a crucial step because it helps you catch any mistakes before sending. Double-checking ensures professionalism and clarity. If everything looks good, you are ready for the next step. Finally, click the Send button. This is usually located at the bottom of the Compose window. Once you hit Send, your email will be on its way to the recipient. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your email has been sent successfully. This moment is satisfying, knowing you've completed your task and reached out to someone. And that's it. You've learned how to create and send an email using Gmail. This skill is essential for effective communication. Thank you for following along, and happy emailing.